Hi, my name is Alex, and I'll be doing the video project.
Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, I'm Richard.
5.1, use of properties.
Of exponents. In the next scene, we'll be showing and explaining what's going on in this chapter.
In this chapter, we will be learning the 7 properties of exponents. The first one we will be learning is product of powers. The formula is a to the n times a to the n, which equals a to the m plus n. Can anyone give me an example?
2 to the third times 2 to the first equals 2 to the fourth.
Don't you simplify
Two.
that?
Yeah, what does it simplify to?
Really, Mr. Richard? Okay, fine, 16.
Okay, so that's your answer.
What about negatives?
We'll be learning negatives later on.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Fine. Okay,
So
good
can
job.
anyone else give me an example?
This is boring. I'm gonna take over the math class. Give it to me. Get up. Just give it to me. Okay. Since somehow he managed to screw up teaching this, I'm gonna teach you something else. The second one we're gonna learn power over power. I know that sounds stupid, but that's still what it is. Basically, it's this. You guys get it so far? I'm gonna take that silence as a yes. Before you ask any question, that is literally it. I swear, if you one of you guys raise your hand, I will throw my marker at you. And send it to Mr. Hidalgo. Okay, stop. I say don't raise your hand! If this was Asia, I would have beaten you by now, girl. So, for an example. Do you guys get it so far? Do you guys, okay, fine. Don't say anything, that's totally cool.
3 to the sixth.
Did I say you can talk? I didn't say you can talk. Out. Get out of my classroom. Let's see. Can somebody tell me the answer for this within 2 seconds? 1, 2. I knew it. You guys are idiots. I should have just married my wife. Anyway, that's literally it. Any questions? Fine, what is it?
Could we do another example?
No, we're not going to do another example.
Could we do it with a negative?
No, we're not doing another negative. So demanding, you millennials. I am so sick of this. You know, I could have gone to Harvard, you know. But no, my mother was like, oh, you should do it in high school teaching. Second one. Power of a product. That is literally what is this. And don't you say my writing is horrible. My writing is perfect. So, it's literally this. Nothing else. There's no inward, backward. That is just it. So, for an example. And what is this answer within 5 seconds? 5, 4, 5. Don't say anything. You know, it's not like I told my days away teaching you guys. It's not like I'm doing this just because I like you guys. You guys get it so far? Okay, you're shaking your head. I take that as a no. So it's literally this. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Because the exponent is 4, there's 4 of it. I'm gonna guess here that you guys can count. Don't shake your head, I'm gonna cry if you guys do. And then multiply by 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Because there's 4. The exponent is 4. So that would equal to, and since I'm too lazy to do the rest of the equation, the answer's right there, so it's 1,296. Do you guys get it? You guys get it? Good. Okay, let's go to the next one. I say stop raising your hand over there. I see you talking. I see you talking over there. I swear to God, if you talk, I will bring your grade down to a B. And for Asians, that's like basically a death sentence. Okay, this part is gonna be a little bit difficult because there is a negative. I know you guys don't like that, but deal with it. So, it's literally this. A fraction. Yeah, it's a fraction. Deal with it. I know you guys don't like it. Deal with it. So that will also mean A does not equal to 0. Do you guys see? You see that dash? That means no. So it does not equal to 0. Do you guys get that? Well, I really don't care. I just care about getting paid. So as an example, 7 by negative 2. So 1. What is 7 squared?
49.
Thank you. The person who answers all the time. 1 over 49. Just because there's a negative doesn't mean this should be a negative. That is the wrong answer. And yes, that's literally it.
Next property will be the 0 exponent. Which would be A to the power of 0 equals 1. A
Does that work for you?
does not equal 0. So for an example, would be we were to have negative 89 at the power of 0, it would equal 1. So the next property would be the quotient of powers, which would be A m over A n, which equals to A m minus n, which does not, A does not equal to 0. And the example for that would be if we were to have 6 with the power of negative 3 and 6 to the power of negative 6 would equal 6 with the negative 3 minus negative 6, which would equal 6 to the third power, which would equal 216. The next property we will be doing is reversed from the last, second to last, which would be power of quotient, which would be A over m, in parentheses we have the m power, which would equal A to the m, B to the m being distributed, but B does not equal 0. For an example, we would have 4 over 7 parentheses with 2 to the power, which would equal 4, 2, 7, 2, which would equal 16 over 49. And that's the last of the properties.